In this short tutorial, you will learn how to remove the save video option on TikTok and prevent others from saving your TikTok videos. Many users may want to keep their videos private or simply don't want others to save their content. Luckily, TikTok gives you the ability to turn off this save video feature. To get started, open up the TikTok app and then tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap Settings and Privacy. Once you are on this page, tap Privacy. And then scroll down to the bottom. Now you'll see an option called Downloads, and it's turned on, which means people can download the videos that I post on TikTok. To turn it off and remove the save video option on TikTok, simply tap on it. And then toggle off the switch next to Video Downloads. And now no one will be able to download the TikTok videos you post. This is exactly how you can remove the save video option on TikTok. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.